Hello beautiful people, how you doing whenever you are? I'm so glad that you could find time once again to join us here for yet another episode of what's happening around us. I want to say thank you so much for all of you who watched, liked and commented on our previous videos, and I also want to give a very warm thank you for all of you who subscribed to this channel. It means a lot to us in our efforts of growth and also for reaching the 1,000 subscribers soon. So some of you requested for us to show you the progress of one of the long stalled projects in Nairobi City. That's the Ngong Road to Kenyatta Avenue Viaduct Road. And of course, you know your wish is always my command. That's why today we are here to see whether the project is back on track or are we still stalled where we were. Now, the construction of the Kenya shillings 2.09 billion Ngong Road to Kenyatta Avenue Viaduct Road project began in 2021, and it was projected to be completed by the end of 2023. However, the project has had some delay due to some financial constraint. However, it's good to say that the project is back on track and is being undertaken by the China Road and Bridge Construction, that's CRBC, and supervised by the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, that's KURA. Now, the construction is expected to reduce, the traffic snarl-ups witnessed within the Nairobi's Upper Hill area and the Nairobi Central Business District, and will involve viaduct construction that will run from Ngong Road, Nyerere Road interchange, and the Upper Hill Haille Sellasie overpass towards the Kenyatta Avenue and other link roads within that area. So this will in turn improve accessibility within the ever-growing Nairobi City's big traffic numbers and the million-shilling rich square mile of the Upper Hill area and the ever-growing Nairobi's middle-class population. So this particular project will culminate or start at this particular point. So this is the start and the end of the long stretch of the Ngong Road. And the long stalled works have resumed on this particular project. As you can see on the screen, those are the first stages of the tarmacking of this section of the Viaduct Road on the areas on this particular area of Ngong Road towards Kenyatta Avenue and into the Central Business District of Nairobi. So those are road rollers, excavators, tractors, and backhoes. All those engines that are breaking, putting those pieces, shaping and reshaping, the foundation of that masterpiece, and making sure that nothing is taken to chance, in as far as quality is concerned, and durability of what will eventually reshape how this area will look